This is the Lockpicker 1969, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the next episode of Mini Lock Monday. I have a wheel with 8 locks left on it. They're all locks that are 40 millimeters or smaller. I'll be spinning the wheel, and I will pick whichever lock the wheel chooses. So let's get to spinning the wheel. Looks like it'll be number 9, the U-Haul brass padlock in 40 millimeter. All right, let's get to picking. All right, let's give this brass U-Haul padlock a pick. All right, there we go. Funny thing about this lock is I got 7 of these without keys from some guy at a flea market. He didn't see the value in them without the keys, knew that I picked locks, said here, take them, and had to pick them all off of a chain. And while they take the M1 keyway, they are 5-pin padlocks, which is interesting. Anyways, if you enjoyed, thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned to next Monday for the next mini lock that the wheel picks. And if you are a subscriber, thank you. If you're not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications and all, and hit like on the video. Thank you for watching.